Hi everyone, I'm from Dialect Classrooms, and today we're gonna do a little tutorial on how to get about using the Dialect Classrooms platform. Our main platform is on www.dialectclassrooms.com. Okay, www.dialectclassrooms.com, classrooms with an S. This will take you to our landing page where you can see some basic information about Dialect Classrooms. Now we want to get into the main community page. So click request to join and can fill up your name and also add your profile picture. And when that's done, click next on the top right-hand corner. Now add your email. So make sure it's an email that you are still using, that you are still checking, because we're gonna send you your approval email to this email, okay? We make sure that there are no scammers or spammers in our community. So this keeps our community safe and that all our learners will be genuinely learning from our community, okay? So click I agree and go to next. Write down your reason, and all reasons are also being vetted. So make sure that you don't write gibberish or rubbish. Make sure it's a valid reason, otherwise your application will be denied. When you're done, click submit on the top right-hand corner. And you can check your email where we will send you an approval. It may take us 1 day to a week to approve your request, depending on how busy the moderators are. If you can't find the email in your inbox, try searching your junk mail or your spam mail. Okay? If you still can't find it, try typing Dialect Classrooms in your search bar. When you receive this email, click here to join. And you get into our community. Okay? You could see the post that's being made by your other learners. So you can also open the resources that's being shared. Okay. So this is shared by Stephen, our Hakka tutor. You can also post links or videos, but make sure they are all dialects related. Now for the classes, you can find the classes in upcoming events. That's also available in a column on the left. So click events. And you should see the events that's happening. Okay. So if you want to join an event, you could say going. And you could join the event by adding to your calendar. Right. If you're not going, just click not going. Knowing how many people will be attending our classes helps us to maintain a good ratio between the number of tutors and learners. As all the tutors are volunteers, we hope that you give them the respect and consideration in RSVPing so that they will not waste unnecessary time if there are too many or too few people. To join a class in progress, click meeting link, and that will take you to the Zoom page. You can also find a passcode in the description box here. You can also see the events in a monthly calendar form. If you want to share any resources, feel free to add your post in the main channel. This functions pretty much like your Facebook. So you could share photos, you could add a poll. Oops. Here, you can add a poll. You can add the specific dialect group that this post is related to, and just click post. There are also other channels like clans, where people can feel free to add in topics that they are interested in. We have a separate category for religion because we don't want to be seen as evangelizing anybody and making anyone feel uncomfortable, but feel free to use this platform to share things about religion. You can also message other people. Okay. In the chat box here. So it's located on the top right-hand corner. And any notifications will be given on the top right-hand corner. Okay. And if you want to email us or ask us any questions, you can message us using the chat box. Or if you aren't able to get into this community, or if you can't find your approval email, feel free to email us at dialectclassrooms@gmail.com. dialectclassrooms@gmail.com. Okay. I hope this tutorial has been useful. So please feel free to join us. We love to have more learners, and we would like to have more tutors and volunteers if you can afford to contribute back to our community. So feel free to drop us an email on our email address, or you can go to our Instagram and Facebook. See you in the next class. Bye.